How to log in to TaskRabbit. Now in order to log into TaskRabbit, you just simply need to open any of the browser that you use and search for TaskRabbit in there. After searching for TaskRabbit, this first link of taskrabbit.com will appear in very top. Just simply open that link in your browser. And after opening this, you will see this homepage right here, and you can see a bunch of options. But in order to get your login option from this page, you just simply need to tap into these three lines from the top left corner. And after tapping in there, you will see the button of sign up or login. Tap to that and you will be in this new page where you will see the option of sign up or login. Tap to login button. Then you can easily enter your email address in the upper box and password in lower box. You simply enter your email address and password both correctly, then tap to login button and you will successfully be signed in to the taskrabbit.com. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.